Welcome, I'm Coach Sam with Svelte, and I am here to blow your minds about a mocktail. So holidays are coming up and everybody's having drinks, but you're on a diet and you're trying to lose weight and you really don't want to cheat. So what I have here for you today are a couple of ingredients to make a pretty drink, and nobody needs to know that there's no alcohol in it, so you can just fake it. So first, what we're gonna do is I have some fun ice cubes, any kind of ice cubes that you ice cube tray that you find, like any kind of stores, health stores, things like that. It always makes the drink look a little bit prettier. So I kind of build the ice cubes in there, let a little water sit, and then I have a couple ingredients. So first I want to talk to you about the key ingredients in here that are not only going to help you lose weight while you're having fun, but it's gonna taste delicious. So we have cranberries. Cranberries are so good for you, and they're great around the holidays. They're good for your body, and when it comes to any kind of stomach digestions and things like that, it'll help you ease, along with the ginger. So ginger is also great for your digestion if you're having an upset stomach and you want something that's gonna be a little bit more calming, which is great because sometimes around the holidays, you're eating a lot of different foods because you're at family houses, and this is something to calm that because you're on a diet. Rosemary is great. Smells amazing. It is great for your mind. It will help with concentration and kind of getting things stirred up in there. With all of the benefits from that are gonna make this entire drink not only delicious, but great for your body. So first we're gonna start up with some cranberries, and I'm gonna kind of dump them in here like this. And while I'm dumping them in, I'm gonna get them all to the bottom. Depending upon how much you like cranberries, some people don't like them because they're a little bit more on the bitter side. I like to kind of just put them in there because it does look pretty towards the end. And you're just gonna take the bottom of a spoon, a wooden spoon, or if you have a muddler, you're just gonna muddle these up, get them nice and smushed in there. Then we're gonna take our rosemary. So I take it backwards. I hold the stem from the bottom of the stem at the top, and then I kind of just peel them all back and then toss them in like this. It kind of breaks up the leaves so that you don't have to sit there and pick one leaf at a time. So I do about 2 stems of this, and I leave the other ones to make it pretty later on. And then I'm gonna go ahead and muddle again. So the muddling is gonna break down the herbs and the berries and things like that, and it's gonna open up not only the aroma, but all the benefits that are inside of these. So I have a couple of sliced gingers root that we're gonna put in here as well. And perfect. So 2 of the main things that are in here, since it's non-alcoholic, is going to be club soda and cranberry juice. With cranberry juice, you have to be careful because there are a lot of store-bought cranberry juices that have all the sugars in it to make it sweet. You'll see like cranberry mango or cranberry and watermelon. This is just straight cranberry juice. You wanna be sure to put not too much because it is straight cranberry juice and it's going to be very concentrated. So we're gonna pour about 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces in there like that. You'll see those beautiful colors. It almost looks like a wine, which is kind of nice about this. During the holidays, everyone's busting out some beautiful red wines and white wines. This looks like a sangria, and it's not. And you're still gonna lose weight and feel great, no hangover, which is awesome as well. We're gonna top it off the rest of it with our beautiful club soda, getting those nice bubblies, getting all of those berries and the ingredients in there kind of stirring up and looking amazing. And those nice cute ice cubes are kind of melting down, but they're still holding that stick form so that you're not choking on a little bit of ice cubes here. So I always like to decorate my drinks because anything that you eat or drink, you start with your eyes. Anything that is intriguing by your eyes and your nose are always gonna taste better. So I put a little bit of cinnamon stick, and I have my rosemary, and I kind of let it glide, and then voila, you have your mocktail. Cheers, happy holidays, and for more videos like this, drinks, foods, desserts, breakfast, anything that you can think of, we have it here at Svelte. Just like, click, subscribe. Let us know if you're looking for something other than what you're normally used to, and we'll give it a try. Bye guys.